What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another very important market update. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as a lot of you guys probably know at this point, the crypto market looks like it's not wanting to break out yet. I would argue that when you look at Bitcoin, we're still in this cup and handle. This is the cup and this is the handle. And I've been talking about this cup and handle for like 2 weeks now. And I'm going to continue saying the same thing. As long as we do not lose this trend line, I'm going to remain bullish on the cup and handle. But what I did not like is that the stochastics were starting to get overbought and we could not get back above the 21-day moving average. To me, that was a telling sign that we were going to drop. And that's exactly what's happened. We're back down to 95,400. But today I'm going to hopefully give you guys a few reasons as to why I am personally not panicking at all. And reason number one is Ethereum. I've also been showing you guys the Ethereum weekly time frame for weeks now. The reality is that Ethereum is now extremely oversold on the stochastics again. If you go back in Ethereum's history and you look at every single time we have been oversold, what has happened? We have broken out. This first area I have marked right here is around September of 2020, and you can see that we went absolutely parabolic. The next time we were oversold, what happened? We went parabolic again. Same thing for the next time. And pretty much every single time the stochastics have been oversold, we've went up at least around 50%. Most of the time it's around 100%, 200%, 300%. And since September of 2020, it has been a 100% success rate of a breakout with oversold stochastics. Every single time, 9 out of 9 times. And we are now extremely oversold again. What I want you guys to understand though is usually this does take several weeks to actually play out. If you look at a lot of the times we're extremely oversold, it usually takes around 3 to 8 weeks of consolidation. You can see that pretty much every single time. We just range in this area before we break out. So don't be shocked if this takes until mid-March or even April before we would break out. And I'm also not telling you that a breakout is 100% guaranteed, but I am personally someone who does not like to ignore statistics. And when I see it's a 100% hit rate from 2020, that makes me very bullish. Now, if you look at the crypto market in the short term, pretty much everything is getting nuked. And that's because both Bitcoin and Ethereum have dropped. And I know a lot of people are a little bit disappointed in the Ethereum drop because yesterday when I was making this video, we saw Ethereum was up 5% in the last 24 hours and Bitcoin was actually down. It seemed like Ethereum was starting to gain some traction on Bitcoin, but now you can see that Ethereum has given back everything. And definitely when you look at the meme coin market right now, it's just a sea of red. SHIB's down 6% in 24 hours. Pepe's down 11.7%. Bonk's down 12%. And you can see right now that a lot of the Solana memes are actually getting hit even harder than Ethereum. But regardless, the market is getting hammered. But what I still think is very interesting is when you look at a lot of the macro news that's actually going on. For example, Watcher Guru just posted this 1 hour ago. $870 billion asset manager Standard Chartered expects more sovereign wealth funds to start buying Bitcoin. And there is so much macro bullish news going on right now for crypto. But then you also have stuff like the Argentina crypto scam coin. But if you look at all of the bullish stuff going on, price action does not match that at all. Right now, there is so much panic in the market. But what I want you guys to actually think about is fear and FOMO. Again, to be crystal clear, there's a lot of fear in the market right now. The only way for FOMO to actually exist is if fear also exists. This market is built on psychology. These are the times that you have to be mentally resilient. There's two sides to every coin. In order for you to make life-changing gains in crypto, you have to also be willing to embrace the downside. Not everyone is going to win in this market. Understand that. But when you see a lot of what's going on behind the scenes, it's very easy to be bullish right now, even during the downtrend. I also quickly just want to go over a few of my favorite plays on this channel. So you can see that a project like Miggles is also getting hit pretty hard right now. It pumped all the way up to an $80 million market cap yesterday, and now it's back to $65 million. You look at Pepe, it has gotten hammered. Pepe was almost at a $12 billion market cap, and now it's back under $4 billion. You look at a project like Hoppy, it was around a $140 million market cap, and now it's back to $16 million. You look at Turbo, it was almost $1 billion market cap, and now it's $225 million. Not just these projects, but in general, there are some amazing discounts in the crypto market right now, especially if you guys are like me and believe that an Ethereum breakout is eventually coming. Because naturally, if Ethereum breaks out, it's going to help the entire Ethereum ecosystem. Not to mention Ethereum is the leading altcoin, so it should help all altcoins. All of that being said, though, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early and joining a like-minded community, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. As a lot of you guys know, we've been making life-changing gains in here, but we're here for all of it. We're here for the pumps, we're here for the dumps, we're here for literally everything. And at the current moment, my Discord is only 1 year old, and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put this in perspective, if you guys had invested $1,000 into any one of these projects, you could have turned that into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' opinion on the market is right now. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.